Mastering quantifiers. Much and little in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of quantifiers. In particular, we're going to focus on how to use the words much and little in English. These words can be tricky to use correctly, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how and when to use them. First things first, let's define what much and little are. They are quantifiers, which means they are words that describe the quantity or amount of something. We use much to indicate a large amount and little to indicate a small amount. But it's important to know that we generally use these words with uncountable nouns, things that you can't count like water, time, money, love, and so forth. Let's start with much. We often use much in negative sentences and questions. For instance, I don't have much time. Do you have much experience in this field? However, it's less common to use much in positive sentences. We usually replace it with a lot of. For example, instead of saying, I have much money, we would more commonly say, I have a lot of money. Now, let's move on to little. This word can be a bit more complex to use correctly, but don't worry. We're going to break it down for you. There are 3 forms to be aware of: little, a little, and the little. 1. Little is used to express a negative meaning, suggesting that there is not enough of something. For example, I have little patience for this. She has little interest in the topic. 2. A little is more positive and suggests that while there is not a lot of something, there is enough. For example, I have a little money left. There's a little coffee in the pot. 3. The little refers to all that there is. For example, the little time we have left should be used wisely. The little money I had went on food. And there you have it, folks. That's a wrap on how to use much and little in English. It might seem complex at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, much is usually used with negative sentences and questions, and little has 3 forms: little, a little, and the little. Keep practicing and applying these rules in your everyday English. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.